my goodness, I am so incredibly excited to share today's project with you. In this video, we are making the prettiest, most aesthetic beaded heart charm. It is the absolute perfect addition to accessorize your favorite handbag, or to use as a cute keychain. Seriously, look at that sparkle. Let me know in the comments what color you're planning to make your heart in. For today's heart, I chose these stunning light pink 4mm faceted beads with an AB finish. We will need exactly 92 beads for this project, which is pretty much just one compartment from a standard organizer box. We're also using a clear fishing line with a 0.25mm diameter. Go ahead and cut about 50 inches of line. Pick up 4 beads on one side and take the other end of the line to cross through the last bead in the opposite direction. Pull it nice and tight right in the middle of your line. Now on the right line, pick up 1 bead. Take that exact same end of the line and pass it upwards through this left bead here. Then, weave it to the right through the top bead. And there we go. We have the very beginning of our heart. Flip your weaving to match exactly how I am holding it, and let's dive into the first row. On the left side, thread 5 beads. Take the right end and cross it through the outermost bead. Pull it tight, and then insert the bottom line into the next bead along our base circle. On the left line, pick up 4 beads. Cross the right end through the last bead. Once that's tightened, pass the bottom end into the closest base bead. Let's repeat that. Add 4 beads to the left side and cross the right end through the last bead. Once tightened, pass the bottom end through the next base bead. Plus 1 more bead to connect it to the beginning of the row. Now add 3 pink beads to the left. Cross the right end through the last one. Once you pull it tight, take the right end of the line and insert it to the right into the neighboring bead, the one from the next circle over. Our first row is officially complete. Let's start row 2. Keep holding it in the exact same position as me. On the left side, pick up 4 beads. Cross the right end through the last bead and pull tight. Now pass the bottom line to the right through the closest bead from the previous row. Add 4 pink beads to the left line and cross through the outermost one. Once tightened, take the bottom end and pass it through 2 beads of the previous row. On the left side, pick up 3 beads. Cross through the last one. And then pass the bottom line into the next bead of the previous row. Again, add 4 pink beads to the left. Cross through the last one and pass the bottom end through 2 beads of the previous row. Add 3 beads to the left side, cross through the outermost one, and pass the bottom line into the next bead of the previous row. One more time. Add 4 pink beads to the left, cross through the last one, and pass the bottom end through 2 beads of the previous row. Now, pick up 3 beads on the left side and cross through the last one. Once tightened, pass the bottom line into the next bead of the previous row. Plus upwards through 1 more bead to connect it to the beginning of the row. Next, add 3 pink beads to the left line, cross the right end through the last bead. Once it's pulled tight, take the end of the line pointing downwards and insert it to the right into the neighboring bead. Look at that! We now have the 2 base rows of our heart ready. Let's craft the first upper half. Add 3 beads to the left side. Cross the right end through the last bead. Insert the bottom end of the line through the 2 closest beads. Pick up 2 beads on the left line. Cross the right end through the last one and pass it to the right through 1 bead from the previous row. Now, watch closely here. On the right line, we're picking up 3 beads. Take the left end and cross it through the outermost bead. Once tightened, pass the left line to the left through 2 beads. Give it a really good firm pull. Again on the right side, pick up 3 pink beads. Cross the other end through the last bead and insert the bottom end of the line through the 2 closest beads. Add 2 beads to the right side and cross through the last one. Take the end of the line pointing downwards and pass it through the 2 closest beads. Holding it exactly like I am, add 3 beads to the left side. Cross through the last one. Tighten it up and pass the top end to the right through the 2 closest beads. Add 2 beads to the left side and cross through the last one. Then pass the right line to the right through the 2 closest beads. Let's do that again. Add 2 beads to the left, cross through the last one, and then pass the right line to the right through 3 closest beads. In this position, pick up 2 beads on the bottom line, cross the other end through the last bead, take the end of the line that's on top, and pass it to the left through 3 beads. Pick up 1 pink bead and cross both lines through it. Pull it nice and tight and flip the weaving around just to make it easier to work with. Now we just have the second upper half of the heart left to do. Pay close attention to how I'm holding the piece and pick up 3 beads on the right side. Take that exact same right end of the line and weave it back through 3 beads as shown. Plus through a 4th bead, which is one of the beads we literally just added. Double check that everything looks exactly like mine and pull it really tight. Pick up 3 beads on the right side, cross the other end through the last bead. Take the end of the line pointing downwards and pass it further through 3 beads. Add 2 beads to the left side and cross through the last one. Once tightened, insert the end into 1 more bead to the right. Now pick up 3 beads on the left side and cross through the last one. Tighten it up and pass the bottom end through 2 beads. Next, add 2 beads to the left side. Tighten and pass through 2 beads. Add 2 beads to the left again, tighten, and pass through 2 beads. We're going to repeat this 2 more times. On this last one, pass the line through 1 extra bead to connect it to the beginning of the row, so you'll be passing through 3 beads in total. Pick up 1 bead plus your closed jump ring and cross both lines through the bead. Weave the ends of your line around the circle until they meet up in the same spot. Tie a few secure knots and snip off the excess line. Finally, attach your chain with the lobster clasp, and our beautiful heart is officially finished. If you loved this tutorial, please leave a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!